Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is beat. It's a B2 level noun, and it means a rhythmic movement or sound. So, what does beat really mean? Well, think about the beat of a drum, the beat of your heart, or even the beat you feel when listening to your favorite song. It's all about that regular, recurring pulse or rhythm. In everyday language, we use beat to describe a repeating pattern of sounds or movements. Now, let's explore some synonyms for beat. A close synonym is pulse. For example, I could feel the pulse of the music through the floorboards. Another synonym is rhythm. You might say, the rhythm of the waves crashing on the shore was very soothing. And we can also use the word tempo, which refers specifically to the speed of the beat. For instance, the DJ increased the tempo of the song to get the crowd energized. A further synonym is throb, as in, I felt a throb in my head. And a final synonym could be meter, as in, the poem has a distinct meter to it. Now, let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings. An antonym for beat, when referring to a rhythm, could be silence. Imagine a room filled with music, and then suddenly, silence. Another antonym could be stillness. Think about a dancer holding a pose in complete stillness, the opposite of a rhythmic movement. We could also consider chaos as an antonym, especially if we think of beat as representing order. Chaos is the absence of order, so it provides a contrast. We can consider disorder as another opposite. The disorder in the song meant it had no beat. Finally, we have pause, as in, the music had a pause between each beat. So, how can you use beat in everyday life? Well, you could say, I love the beat of this song. It makes me want to dance. Or if you're talking about exercise, you might say, I run to the beat of my music to stay motivated. You could also use it figuratively. For example, I'm feeling a little off my beat today, meaning you're not quite yourself. Here are some more usage examples. The band played a driving beat that had everyone moving. The doctor checked my heartbeat. The poem has a strong beat to it. He missed a beat when he saw her. The detective walked his beat every night. The company's earnings beat expectations. She always has to beat me at tennis. I'm completely beat after that workout. I felt the drums beat deep in my chest. The rain beat against the window. We marched to the beat of the drum. He gave me a knowing beat. I can beat him at chess. The bird beat its wings and flew away. Don't beat yourself up about it. To summarize, beat is a versatile word with many uses. It refers to a rhythmic movement or sound. We explored synonyms like pulse, rhythm, and tempo, and antonyms like silence, stillness, and chaos. We also looked at how you can use beat in everyday conversations and common expressions. It can refer to music, your heart, or even a feeling of exhaustion. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word beat. And now, a little favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary. And for an extra challenge, create your own sentence using the word beat and share it in the comments below. We'd love to see how you use it.